I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to lock your card on eToro, follow these simple steps to ensure your account stays secure. Step 1. Open the eToro app. Launch the eToro app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings menu. This is usually found in the Profile section, represented by gear icon. Step 3. Select Security. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. This section contains all the security features related to your account. Step 4. Lock your card. Find the option to lock your card. This may be labeled as Lock Card or Disable Card. Tap on it to initiate the locking process. Note, if you don't see the option, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 5. Confirm the action. Before starting recovery, use the eToro.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. That's it. Your card is now locked and your account is more secure. If you need to unlock it later, just follow the same steps. Happy trading!